If your condenser compressor is making a clicking sound repeatedly, it's usually a sign something's off with the contactor relay or the capacitor, and you want to catch it before things get worse. So, start by turning off your power to the AC unit to keep it safe while you work on it. Check the contactor relay first. This little guy controls the electricity flow to your compressor and fan motor. If it's worn out or stuck, it can cause that annoying clicking noise. Next up, look at the capacitor. It helps kickstart the compressor and fan, so if it's weak or puffed up, your compressor struggles to start and clicks repeatedly. You can test the capacitor using a multimeter set to measure capacitance, but if you're not comfy with tools, call a pro to handle this part. Another quick tip is to clean any dirt or debris around the contactor because grime can mess with its contacts. Also, check the wiring for any loose connections. Sometimes a simple tighten up stops the clicking. If the compressor still clicks after swapping or fixing these parts, it might be overheating or have internal damage, which usually means you need professional help. Don't forget to regularly clean your condenser coils and replace your air filter often, since clogged parts make compressors work harder and fail quicker. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make when dealing with a condenser compressor clicking sound is ignoring the problem and hoping it goes away, which just lets minor issues turn into costly repairs. Another common issue is trying to replace the capacitor or contactor without turning off the power first. This is dangerous and risks electrical shock. Lastly, many folks don't realize that dirty condenser coils or clogged filters put extra strain on the compressor, so skipping routine maintenance leads to repeated clicking and system breakdowns. Fix these by acting fast on strange noises, always cutting power before touching electrical parts, and setting a regular cleaning schedule for your AC unit. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know exactly how to fix stuff like a clicking condenser compressor without breaking the bank. It's also a great spot for contractors to connect with real customers looking for reliable help on their home projects.